Hello guys, welcome back to LeetCode. So in our SQL series where we are solving LeetCode questions, I'm back with another brand new question, patience with condition. Okay, in this question we have been given a table patience with 3 columns: patient ID, patient name and their condition. Okay, here patient ID is the ID of that patient name is the name of the particular patient, and condition is the condition under which that patient is admitted. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to write a solution to find the patient ID, patient name and condition of the patients who have type 1 diabetes. Okay, and type 1 diabetes always starts with type 1 prefix. Okay, if any table, if any row contains this prefix, that means the patient is suffering from type 1 diabetes. Okay, let's look at the example. In this example table, we have patient ID, patient name and condition. Okay, now if you look at the example carefully, there are 2 patients with diabetes 1, type 1 diabetes, that is Bob and George. Okay, how? If you look at the condition, we have type 1 as a prefix over here and type 1 again as a prefix over here. Now what we have to do is we have to retrieve the name of the patients who have type 1 diabetes. There are 2 things to remember, that if you look at the example over here, the type 1 is occurring at the first part of the string. Okay, and here type 1 is not occurring as the first part of the string, but it is present in the middle of the string. So if you take the conditions as a string, okay, so here in the patient ID 3 Bob, type 1 is the first part of the string, and in patient ID 4 for George, type 1 is not the first part of the string, but it is present in the middle. Okay, so here are 2 conditions. Either this type 1 string will be present in the first part of the string, okay, or either this type 1 will be present in the middle of the string. For that, we use this percentage wildcard. Okay, this percentage operator is used in SQL for matching patterns. Okay, if you take this type 1 as a pattern and we will match this pattern in every row. Okay, so if we apply type 1 percentage, so this will check that every condition has type 1 as this first part of the string, and then percentage means that rest of the string. Let's start with the query. We will select our patient ID and patient name and condition from our patients table, where, now here is the where condition, where condition like type 1 percentage. Okay, this condition will check whether this type 1 string is occurring as first part of the string or not, or conditions like percentage space type 1 percentage. Okay, this will check whether this type 1 string is occurring in the middle or not. Let's run this. So the condition is have small c. Okay, so let's run it and check if it is correct or not. Okay, so our query is correct and we got our expected output. This query is quite easy. Okay, we are just using percentage as a pattern matching. Okay, we will match the patterns, similar patterns, and we will return the results. Okay, this question can be done using locate function also. Okay, you can function is a function in SQL. Okay, this function locates the position of string. Okay, where is the string lying, and returns the index of the string. You can use the locate function as well to check whether this type 1 string is somewhere present in the conditions column or not. So the query for using locate function is present in the description. You can check the description, and if this tutorial was helpful for you, do like the video, Subscribe She Codes if you haven't subscribed, and I will be back with more such informative questions which will help you to brush up your SQL skills as well as will prepare you for your placements. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Happy coding.